In this session, I will explain how to use all the options available in Draw tab. See, we have all these tabs, but there is no Draw tab. Okay, for that, if you want to get the Draw tab, select File and go to Options. Under Options, you select Customize Ribbon. Using this Customize Ribbon option, you can select or deselect any of the tabs or options available under tabs. For example, if you don't want View tab, you can deselect that one. And if you don't want any other Home tab or Insert tab, you can deselect. Okay, now see, Draw tab is not selected there. Now I am going to select the Draw tab. Now we will get Draw tab. Finally say OK. Now see, Draw tab is available in the tab bar. Now the related options are available under the Draw tab. We have different options, different drawing tools. So first, suppose I am having some text, RAND, and like that I am having some text. If you want to highlight some text under this document, text highlighter is available, and see, by default the color is yellow. Suppose you can highlight the text like this, and you can also change the color of the highlight. For example, if you want to mark it as red, you can select, and you can also select how much thickness you want. Okay, so I am increasing the thickness as well as color also changed. Like that I can draw, I can highlight. Okay, if you don't want this, means again you select this option. This arrow key is deselection option, which deselects the selected tools and makes the normal cursor available, normal mouse available to you to type something. Okay, again if you want the same, you can select and you can change the color, and you can resize the thickness like this. You can highlight, and there are other drawing options available. Pen orange 0.5 mm and pen black 0.5 mm. For example, if you select this one, again here see, colors is available, and suppose I am using this green color, and here also you can select the thickness. I am keeping as it is, and more colors also you can mix. See, using the pen, and just I am highlighting. Not only for highlighting purpose, suppose if you want to mark this like this, you can mark. And one more tool is there. Using this one, see, again thickness and colors are available. Suppose I am selecting green color, then suppose here I am making this as tick mark. How you want to draw, you can draw using these options. And if you want to erase, eraser is available. Eraser, select eraser, and see the thickness is also available. Point eraser, normal eraser, types also available. For example, if you click on that particular drawing, it will automatically remove that selected drawing in the document like this. Okay, completely removed. And once again I am going to draw. Suppose this is my drawing and this is my another drawing. If you want to select already existed drawings, this is the tool select ink by drawing shape. So select this tool and click on that particular drawing. So automatically it will get highlighted. So you can move that one and you can do some other activities. These are the basic options. And see, ink to shape option is available. So how to use that one? Ink to shape, select ink to shape. Now I selected ink to shape. I want to draw some shapes. Suppose I want a rectangle. Just roughly I am drawing a rectangle, but automatically it will makes the shape. Why? Because I am under ink to shape option. I want to draw rectangle like this. Previous one is triangle and this one is rectangle. Okay, and if you want to draw circle, you can draw like this. Which shape we want, automatically it will forms. Suppose like this. And one more option is available, that is ink to math. Using ink we can create maths. In previous sessions also, while creating formulas we already applied like this, but here again I am trying. Suppose I want to draw a plus b whole square. A plus b, roughly I am drawing, but it is automatically shaping whole square. Okay, if you want to correct, you can correct. A equal to something a square plus, like that you can write. And if you want any corrections, you can use erasers as well as select and correct. Finally insert that one. You can insert formula where the cursor is available. Okay, and under draw we have drawing canvas option also. Using drawing canvas option, a separate canvas will come. Under the canvas you can draw whatever you want. Whatever you want to draw. Something like this. This is the canvas. Separate area will come. So like that we can make drawings and finalize the document. And if you want to ink replay, option is available. Ink replay options shows how you draw the last one. For example, ink replay. See, it is showing how you drawn that one. Okay, and go for review tab. Here hide ink option is available. Hide ink. So what are the inks over the document? All inks hidden. Suppose I am drawing something. Of course, hide ink option is highlighted, deselecting. So now select the particular drawing and draw something, and change color also you draw like this, and finally go to review tab and hide ink, hide it like that. You can also delete all ink in your document. Hide ink means you can again show back. See, again you can get back that one. Delete all ink in document means totally it will delete the ink objects in your document. So this is the way to get draw tab and use the options in draw tab. Okay.